Hello students, in this video we will discuss about Euclid's postulates. Euclid's postulate was very important which are given by the Euclid, and these postulates are given right here. First postulate was a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. That means we can draw the straight line up till infinitely on both sides, and any straight line passes through at least 2 points. Second postulate was a terminated line can be produced infinitely. Here terminated line, suppose AB is a straight line and we can extend or produced on both sides up to infinite. Third was a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. That means we can draw a circle with any center and any radius. That means radius and circle may be changed. Next was all right angles are equal to one another. That means if we make any right angles whose arms are small or long, measurement of that angle will be also equal, and this will be equal to 90 degree. Fifth postulate is very important. This postulate stated that if a straight line falling on the two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side of its taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced infinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than two straight angles. Since this statement is so long, now we clarify with this diagram. Suppose AB and CD, two straight lines, and one transversal line which is denoted by PQ, intersect both lines. Since there are two type of interior angles made on the same side of this transversal PQ lines, that means suppose this is the angle 1 and this is the angle 2. This angle 1 and angle 2 make the interior angle on the same side of the PQ, that means this transversal. According to the fifth postulate of Euclid, he stated that if angle 1 and angle 2, that means sum of angle 1 and angle 2 is less than supplementary angle, that means 180 degree, then on that side if we produce the AB and CD lines infinitely, then both lines will be meet at any point. And now on the basis of this we can say that if sum of these two lines, these two angles, that means angle 1 and angle 2 is greater than 180 degree and produce these two lines AB and CD on that side at infinitely, then that line will be never intersect to each other. This is the fifth postulate. Since we should be learn very carefully to the all five postulates are given by the Euclids. Now in the next video we will discuss about another theorems related to Euclid's geometry.